You won't believe how to little you need to complete this project on your own. It is only a free supply and then you are out to hands. So no fancy supply and pretty much nothing. You have to go out and buy what are really right. Equipment. The first step.
Start out by folding your tissue paper in half and then fold each side of the tissue paper in half again. You will end up with two pieces that each have a flaw. Form one sheet of 20 or 20 tissue paper. You will be able to make two tassels. Just to remember that each one needs a for the edge.
Next step.
Take your creaser and cut a frame down the entire length of the tissue paper. Leave an inch of tissue paper in your test across the entire top of the tissue paper. Try to make the strips even and thick enough that they won't rip too easy.
Unfold and lay the tissue out on a flat surface so you everything on one side, the uncut and gap in the cutter and then other side. Family bus jelly roll the uncut gap with the fringe on either side into a two-line structure. One roll the interlace of the tissue paper, fold the tube in half and twist at the top to form a loop seeker. The loop with a small piece of string. Repeat this entire process until you make a bunch of tassels in several colors.
Finally, string it all together.
Take on of your finished tassels and add them also a decorative sting. Since you will see the sting, you will want to make sure it is both story and Pisty Baker try work review Nairi for the project. When the tassels are on the string, you can adjust and speed them out where you like them. Time to decorate this berry color garden view and plenty of personality where what you choose to make it.